Good evening, guys. We'll continue our discussion on mixtures and allegations. There's a third video on set of our videos on mixtures and allegations. So let's jump into our problem. So this is our first problem in this video. The ratio of milk and water in a vessel is 8 is to 5. If we added 44-liter milk and 44-liter water, then quantity of milk becomes 28.56% more than water. Find initial quantity of water. Nice. This a good question, guys. So let me check into it. So how to start solution? If you have seen my previous video, in whatever the problems we have solved in our previous video, it is clearly given both the ratios was mentioned, guys. So initial ratio and the later ratio was mentioned. But here, the initial ratio of milk to water, the initial ratio of milk to water is given as 8 is to 5. Clear? Initial ratio is given and the later ratio is not given but he given in terms of percentage. He told 28.56%. Milk will be 28.56% more than water. So first convert this percentage to fraction. 28.56 by 100, you'll be getting 2 out of 7. Clear? This is 2 by 7 more than water. Assume water is 7, then milk will be 2 by 7 times more than water, right? So which is nothing but 2 out of 7 more, na? So 2 plus 2 out of 7 more. Water I have considered 7. So milk will be 2 by 7 times more he mentioned. So 2 by 7 times 7, which will be 2 times more. So milk will be 9. So this is how we got a ratio milk to water 9 is to 7. Nice. Now it's very easy. Let me jump into this again. 8 is to 5 ratio became 9 is to 7 by adding 44 liters of, sorry guys, by adding 44 liters of milk and 44 liters of water. Correct? If you observe, both were added by same number 44 44. But you have taken the, if you have seen the differences, vertical difference, milk is 8 to 9, it became 9, it's only plus 1. 5 to 7, it is plus 2. So if same number has been added, same units has been added, then the rise should also be same. But here it is not same in the given ratios. So how to proceed this problem? Okay, just look at here, guys. Look at the horizontal differences. 9 and 7, 2 is the difference. So 8 and 5, 3 is the difference. Correct? So remember it as a process. Check the horizontal differences. And now I need to make vertical difference same. To make my vertical difference same, I'll use horizontal differences. Take the first ratio 8 is to 5 and multiply with the horizontal difference of other ratio which is 2. And now take the second ratio 9 is to 7 and multiply this with the first ratio's horizontal difference which is 3. So this is the process which you need to remember. So this becomes 8 times 2 is 16, 5 times 2 is 10, 9 times 3 27, 7 times 3 21. And now if you observe horizontal difference 16 and 10 is 6, 27 and 21 is 6. And vertical difference is also same now. 16 to 27 is 11, 10 to 21 is also 11. Correct? So this is how we make our horizontal difference and vertical differences same. Now look at the problem. So what it is given? Nothing, same. So here 10 to 21 plus 11 units, which is given as 11 units is given as 44 liters. So 1 unit will be how much? 44 out of 11, which is 4 liters. Now what he asked us to calculate, find the initial quantity of water. So water initial quantity. So this is the ratio which you need to concentrate, guys. This is a new ratio. Okay, we have already manipulated our previous ratio. So in this water quantity is how much? What is the water quantity? 10 units. So 10 units will be 10 into 4, 40 liters water in the initial quantity. Clear? So this is my answer. I hope you understood this. Just go through this question 2 to 3 more times. You'll understand this. Okay, let me go into a solution of our next problem. Yeah, guys, this is a problem on replacements. So we'll just see a small formula here which will work in 90% of problems. So here the problem scenario is there will be a pure milk in a vessel, let's say X liters. Out of X liters, Y liters taken out, Y liters drawn, and Y liters water added. Now, how much amount of milk left? So milk or pure liquid left will be, so in this way, x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. So where x is a total quantity, remember it guys, total quantity, y is quantity drawn, n is number of repetitions. So this is it. So remember this formula, milk left or pure liquid left. So in this problem, see the problem is a vessel is full of 90 liters, 18 liters milk is taken out and replaced by water, and again the process is repeated by 2 times the amount of milk left after 3 replacement. Nice. So milk left you need to calculate. He clearly given X total, which is 90 liters, and Y how many he is taking out? 18, and N how many times? 3 repetitions. So that's it. So 90 into 1 minus y, which is 18, by x, which is 90, whole power 3. So 18 by 5, 18 by 90 is 1 upon 5. So 1 minus 1 upon 5 is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole cube. So which is 4 3 times. So this you need to calculate, and so resultant answer you will be getting is 46.08 liters, which is our option B. So remember the formula, guys. Let me go with the third problem. It's a similar problem to it. I hope pause the video for a minute and solve the problem and then see the solution. So I hope you have done it, and I'm continuing. Here a vessel full of 1600 liters milk. So X is given as 1600. The person draws 25%. So here 25% of milk from the vessel. 25% is nothing but, so he's drawing out and he's again replacing now. So he has directly given y by x. 25% means 25 out of 100, which is 1 upon 4. So he's taking 1 out of 1/4 of the part and he is replacing it. So y upon x is given, and n is total how many times he has repeated the process for 2 more times. So total 3 repetitions. So according to our formula, milk left, again I'm writing the formula guys, milk left equals to x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. X is 1600, 1 minus y by x is given 1 out of 4 whole power n 3 times. So 1600 into 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 whole cube now, so 3 times. So this you need to multiply. So you'll be getting answer, yeah, how many times it will cancel out? Yeah, 4 into 4 is 16. 1600 will cancel out as 100 times. And yeah, it is 12. 3 times 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 times 100 by 4. So you'll be getting 675 liters, which is our first option. So let us jump to our fourth problem, guys. Yeah. So there's another set of problem. Here also I'll give you a method here. So he's telling in the question is in this way: in what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses costing 15 and 20 per kg respectively so as to get a mixture worth 16.5 kg. So guys, to solve these problems, I call a simple thing. I call it as a butterfly method. So remember it, the theory, I will mention this theory in other video. Let us solve this problem. So write down the cost which is having the cheaper cost on the left hand, 15 rupees, and on the right hand, this. So butterfly method guys in this way. So first variety 15 kg, second variety 20 kg, and you need to mix and you need to sell it for 16.5 kg. So this is what I am talking, a butterfly method. So remember guys, this is of cost price. When you have taken the cost price and the resultant here, whatever you get will be the ratio. You will get always ratio of quantities when you have taken cost price. Remember it. Okay. So take the difference of 16.5 and 20. So 20 difference 16.5. How much? 20 minus 16.5 is 3.5. So 15 rupees and 16.5 difference. Okay, so it is 16.5 minus 15 is 1.5. So this is the ratio which you are going to get. So variety 1 to variety 2 ratio we got as 3.5 to 1.5. 3.5 is 7 upon 2, 1.5 is 3 upon 2, so it going 7 is to 3 ratio. So our answer is this. Remember this, guys. Remember this. You need to take. So cost price you have taken, you will get a ratio of quantities. Let us see fourth problem. Pause the video for a minute and try the problem. Okay. I hope you have solved it by yourself, and I'm continuing here. Again, go with the butterfly method only. So remember butterfly method this one. So write down. So initial he has given 7.2 rupees is the variety 7.2, and the second variety is 5.7, and the mixture should be sold at 6.3. So what is the ratio of the quantities mixed? So simple, you take 6.3 and 5.7 difference, it's a 0.6. 7.2 and 6.3 difference, it's zero point 0.9. So you got variety 1 to variety 2 ratios 0.6 to 0.9, which is 6 to 9, which is again it is nothing but 2 out of 2 is to 3. So this is our answer. So don't forget the methods, guys. Let me go with the fourth next problem. So in what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of tea, both 60 kg and 65 kg, so that selling a mixture at 60 to 8.2 kg? So again, see guys, two prices were given and the mixture price is also given. Again, this is also of butterfly method only. But if you observe the previous problems, clear, these are the cost prices. So you need to apply this butterfly method when all these three terms are of same thing, cost price cost. Okay, your cost. Okay, but here the third price which is given, it is a selling price. So selling price is given, and he told by selling it, he gave out a gain of 10%. So profit he is given. Profit percentage given, gain selling price is given. First you need to calculate cost price of the mixture. So calculate, simple guys, selling price equals to when you will get a profit. So let me jump into this like this. Basic thing. Profit when you will get 7, selling price is more than cost price. Correct. So now selling price equals to cost price plus profit. So what happened here? I got 100 percentage of my cost price plus 10 percentage as a return. So which means I got 110 percentage of cost price as my selling price. So from this I'll calculate. So 68.2 equals to 110 percentage of cost price. So which is cost price equals to 68.2 into 10 upon 11. So which is 11, 68.2 is 682 upon 11. You'll get 62 rupees is my cost price. So now apply butterfly method. So initial type 1 cost is 60, type 2 cost 65. So mixture cost I got 62. So at what ratio I need to mix? So the difference of 62 and 65 is 3, 60 and 62 is 2. So I got the ratio 3 is to 2. Don't forget the butterfly method. You need to apply when all these three are in same type. So these three things should be of same type. If it is first two is cost price, the later one also it should be applied for cost price only. I hope you got it. So let me solve next one. Yeah, seventh problem. The cost of type 1 rice 15 per kg. So he has given type 1, there are two types 15 per kg and the type 2 20 per kg. If both type 1 type 2 are mixed in the ratio 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3. Let's say he has mixed 2 kg. Let's say he has mixed 3 kg of second variety. Okay. So simple, he's asking price per kg mixed. So mixture price he is asking. So find total cost. So if he's buying 2 kg at the price of 15 per kg, so he'll be getting his cost price is how much? 30 rupees. So 3 kg at the price of 20. So 20 into 3, 60 rupees. So total cost he got is 30 plus 60, which is 90 rupees for how many kgs? Initial 2 kg, well, sorry, variety 1 2 kg and variety 2 3 kg for 5 kgs. So mean price will be 90 upon 5, which is uh, 18 rupees. So that's it. So this is my answer for seventh problem. So yeah, okay, we'll solve this question also, guys. Again, we went with the replacements. So guys, replacements problem. Fine. So we'll revise the replacement formula again. Quantity of pure liquid left, pure liquid or pure milk left equals to total, x times 1 minus y by x whole power n. So actually what is this x, guys? X is nothing but total quantity. Fine. So look at here, guys. He's given 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine. So there is a cask full of wine. He has taken 8 liters drawn, 8 liters drawn and filled with water, filled with water. So he replaced with water. This operation performed 3 more times, which means total 4 times. So it is given n equals to 4 times. Fine. Then the ratio of wine now left in the cask to that of water. So wine to water ratio is given as 16 is to 65. So let's say if wine is 16, water is 65, total liquid will be 16 plus 65, which is 81. So now it's a very simple question. So we have written all the information which is given. So see the solution, guys. So he has given water to wine to water. So we know that total, like this is a quantity of wine left equals to total into 1 minus y by x whole power n, it's given. So let us write in this way: wine to x is nothing but total equals to 1 minus y by x whole power n, which is given this. Correct? So wine to water left, which is given as 16 out of 65. This is nothing but some ratio whole power n is nothing but 4. Correct? So x minus y upon x. So we clearly know by looking at, so we'll reverse it. So x minus y by x, fourth root of 16 by, sorry, this 65 is not total, guys. So total is how much? Wow, 65 is nothing but water, but total is what? 81. So 81. So 16 upon 81. So fourth root of 16 is 2 and fourth root of 81 is 3. So x minus y by x equals to 2 upon 3. So 3x minus 3y equals to 2x, where x equals to 3y. So I got a ratio y by x as 1 upon 3, where x is the wine, y is replacement. Clear? So what he asked, how much wine did the cask hold originally? Simple. So we know replacement y is nothing but replacement y is nothing but how many liters? 8 liters. So one unit is 8 liters. So then 3 units will be 3 into 8, 24 liters. So this problem is a little bit hard. Just watch this problem for 2 to 3 more times and you will understand the problem. I hope you got all the problems in this video. So just go through the video once or twice, guys, so that the you can so that all the type of problems will be revised. Thank you, and we'll meet in another video.